Hey guys, it's Albert from Muffin Group. In this tutorial, I would like to show you a super useful performance feature in Betheme, automatic image optimization with WebP conversion. From now on, every JPEG or PNG you upload can be converted to a lightweight WebP file automatically, which can massively reduce image size and speed up your website. Let's not waste the time on this introduction and jump to my screen. Alright, so the feature is extremely simple and it works automatically in the background. First, go to Betheme, Theme Options, open Performance, then go to General, Images, and here enable Images Optimisation. After enabling it, you have an extra option where you can choose if you want to keep original image or just remove it and keep WebP format only. Let me leave Keep option enabled. From this moment, every new image you upload in JPEG or PNG will be automatically converted to WebP in the background. Now, let me show you quickly how it looks in practice. I'm going to the media library and uploading a regular JPEG, PNG, and Betheme takes care of the conversion automatically. No extra plugins, no manual exporting, no additional steps. Why does it matter? Because WebP images are usually dramatically smaller than classic formats. In many cases, you can cut image weight by 90% plus, depending on the file, and that translates directly into faster loading pages and better performance scores. One important thing to keep in mind, this option applies to images uploaded after you enable this option. So if you want to optimize older images, you would need to re-upload them or use a bulk workflow outside of this feature. And that's basically it. Turn it once and from now on, your uploads are optimized automatically. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you liked this video and I shed some light on this performance feature that can make your website noticeably faster with almost zero effort. And if you like this video, I encourage you to watch another tutorial where I explained another awesome Betheme feature, Alex Advanced Filtering. And as always, thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we release a new video. And if you have more questions, please visit our support center at support.muffingroup.com.